Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com New York Forex trading session. I'm going to present Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market, and if you are interested to learn about Forex trading, you can check out my website. There are different ways to contact me. Okay, let's started, and the first thing first, let us take a look at some price charts to see what's going on. Okay, first one is the euro dollar currency pair. Now at this point in time, it seems to me euro dollar is trying to drop over here. This is the daily chart of euro USD currency pair. Okay, so the way I see market is probably going to move sideways. Overall I expect a drop in price action of euro USD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. Now regarding the 4-hour chart of euro USD currency pair, the way I see market is falling down. Expect some kind of a short-term pullback in price action, and then market is going to resume the decline. So the trend is basically down. Okay, it's a downtrend going on in euro dollar currency pair. Okay, it's a downtrend. Next one, in 4-hour time frame. So regarding the 4-hour chart, few hours ago when I did the London market session, I told you guys that do not try to sell over here. Market could bounce back up, and it has already bounced about 3 pips over here. I expect more upside, by the way. I don't think it's going to stop over here. Expect further upside in euro dollar currency pair. So regarding the euro dollar over here, the way I see probably going to rise up, create a short-term bullish pullback, and then resume the downtrend. Next one is the euro USD 1-hour time frame. So let me adjust this Fibonacci retracement level over here. Okay, so the way I see euro USD is probably going to test a 1.1615 level, and then market is probably going to print a top, and then a drop in price action. So we could get a bullish leg in euro USD somewhere around 1.1615. It could go a little bit higher than that. The next top would be 1.1674 or somewhere in between over here. Okay, so I'm expecting a bullish price action inside euro dollar currency pair. Next one, let us take a look at US dollar index. 4-hour time frame of US dollar index, the way I see market is probably going to rise up in US dollar index. The DX is going to rise up more. Next one is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour time frame, like I've mentioned over here, expect a short-term bearish pullback, and then once market is going to complete this pullback, then expect further upside. So this is a possible buy trade setup over here. The chart patterns that market is going to drop first and then rise back up. Okay, next let us take a look at GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is falling down, and I think it's going to stop this decline. So sooner or later expect a bullish leg over here. Probably tomorrow GBPUSD is going to rise up. Okay, If you check out the 4-hour time frame, all of this. So somewhere around this area, market is probably going to provide a pullback. Okay. Next one is the Aussie dollar AUDUSD currency pair. Market is probably going to drop, breaks below this trend line, then expect a bullish leg, and then price is going to drop after that. So on a short-term basis, let's take a look at 4-hour chart over here. On a short-term basis, I'm expecting a bullish. Actually uploaded a separate video regarding the AUDUSD currency pair with detailed Elliot wave count. The general direction is that market is going to rise up first and then it's going to drop. Okay, so AUDUSD currency pair, expect a bullish leg in the market. We might get this kind of a a bullish leg inside the Asian market session, the upcoming one, and then expect possible top and then a drop. NZDUSD currency pair, the way I see NZD is probably going to rise up now. Okay, however, we have a breakdown point over here, so if price action is going to hit 0.5902 level, then obviously the uptrend is going to end over here. Next one is the 4-hour chart. So 4 hours chart is telling me that we are probably going to get a little bit more decline at or around 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level, and then I expect a bullish leg in NZD/USD currency pair. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. We got this bullish breakout over here, and the way I see market is it just started this decline. So if US dollar Swiss franc is going to drop on a short-term basis, like 50 pips, 60 pips, expect a bullish leg in euro dollar, because these two currency pairs, they move against each other. If you check out the US dollar Swiss franc 1-hour chart, the trend is still up over here, and we can draw a simple trend line over here. So it is an uptrend, and we could get a pullback all the way down to test this bullish trend channel over here. Okay. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold, like I've told you, it's not going to drop in a straight line. Spot gold is going to drop, but expect some kind of a sideways price action. Then spot gold is going to drop. Okay. Next one is the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, same story. Expect a bullish leg over here first. Let me zoom in a little bit. Market is probably going to create a bullish pullback, and then it's going to resume the decline. Next one is the US dollar CAD currency pair. USD CAD actually took out this old swing high over here. This whole thing could probably turn into a triangle pattern. Now if I go over to a 4-hour time frame, right now we got this rally over here. Maybe this is wave A, this is wave B, this is wave C, and market is going to drop to print the other triangle legs. So in my opinion, a USD-CAD currency pair is going to waste a lot of time. One Elliott wave count suggests that if we do get a bullish breakout above 1.3797 area, let me write it down, 1.3797 area. If we do get a bullish breakout above 1.3797 area, then expect further upside. Otherwise, USD CAD is probably going to drop. It's going sideways. Okay. So I'm waiting for actually a pullback in price action, at least in 1-hour time frame. Next one is the USDJPY. which is most likely going to drop from current levels. We'll see how it goes. Um, Red color, tomato color, basically suggests that we have already seen the first leg, and market is going to drop below 147.50 level to print the second leg. In terms of Elliott wave, this is a zigzag A, B over here, and then wave C to the downside. So this is what I'm looking. Next one is the 1 hour chart. We got the crossover, the bullish crossover with rainbow, but it's telling me that price action is trying to print a top over here. Next one is the GBPJPY. My preferred Elliott wave count in pound yen suggests that GBPJPY is most likely going to rise up. It's not going to drop. However, I do have an alternative Elliott wave count which suggests price action is going to drop below 195.33 level. But that's the alternative Elliott wave count. The preferred wave count suggests expect a bullish breakout first, and then market is going to drop. If you check out the WTI crude oil, well, crude oil is going in my favor. I forecasted a bullish leg, so we got this bullish leg. And if you check out the 4-hour time, got this bullish breakout. This is what I was showing earlier when I did the London market session, that the WTI crude oil looks bullish and I expect further upside. This is obviously a short-term bullish leg. The overall trend is still down, so the bullish leg or the rallies basically provides us a sell pattern or a bearish trade setup, you know. Next one is the spot silver. Spot silver, the trend looks up over here. We got 1, 2, and 3 over here. So if the spot gold is going down, also expect a decline inside spot silver as well. If you check out the 4-hour time frame, the way I see, as long as price action is not breaking above 39.16 level, to me it is a downtrend over here. It down. Now if price action is going to drop, it's not going to drop like a straight line. So we do expect some kind of a pullback over here in spot silver. Okay, let me move this one over here, adjust the trend line a little bit. Okay, so wait for a kind of a little bit pullback over here, and then market is probably going to drop. Okay, so I'm expecting basically a sideways price action in XAUDUSD pair. This is the spot silver. Okay, so spot gold is also going to rise up a little bit, but the overall it is going to drop over here. Okay, so spot silver forecast is bearish, the trend is bearish. In 4-hour, in daily, I'm looking for this wave 4 over here, by the way. Okay, and after wave 4, expect wave 5 as well. Let me write it down. Wave number 4. So number 4, and then expect a bullish impulse wave 5. Okay. Okay, so I think this looks good. Let me adjust the trend line. Okay, any questions? And if you like my analysis, then select the like button, press the like button, also hit the subscribe button as well. And if you want to learn about forex trading, check out my website. I have also written a book on introduction to Elliot Wave, and it's available for free. Just contact me from my website. It's in PDF format, and I will send you that for free. The book is also available on multiple websites as well, by the way. Anyways, so the spot silver, my forecast is bullish overall, but on a short-term basis, spot silver is going to drop. Okay, expect a pullback. then one more drive to the downside. Okay, that's pretty much it for today from my side, and hopefully we will try to do the New York market session tomorrow early, because I understand for some of my students, it's a little bit late for them. Okay, so I think that's it. Uh, and I'm going to end today's session now from my side. Have a